lecturer. I am Seka DM06190014 from batch 18B, and I'm here to present about the introduction of risk management and security. Okay, as we all know, what is risk? Risk is a process for identifying, prioritizing, and managing security and risk to an acceptable level from the personal to operational. Risk is also defined as a measure of the probability and severity to adverse effects. A formal security risk management process can address this flaw include threat response time, regulatory compliance, infrastructure management costs, and the fourth one is risk prioritization and management. Okay, security. What is security? Security is defined as the state of being secure, and secure means certain to remain safe and unthreatened. So thank you.
Good morning to Miss Farida Alim. I am Devi Prasib Kumar, DN041927 from batch 18B. Here I want to present about importance of risk management, which is our group assignment. Everything we do literally risky by interacting socially or undertaking any enterprise. We should care about the better security and risk management to live in a more secure and less risky world. But nowadays, most people don't like surprises, and especially when it is an organizational impact. Risk manager goal is to map out the potential risks and then work to prevent them to best manage them. Risk management in the process of identifying possible risk, problems or disaster before they happen. This allows business owners to set up producers to avoid the risks or minimize its impact, or at the very least and cope with its impact. Thank you.
Good afternoon to my respectful lecturer. I am Yeshita Chani Mohan, DM041910 from batch 18B. Today I am going to present about health and safety risk management. Health and safety risk management is a process which we associate with health and safety risks at workplace. The aim of the health and safety risk management is to ensure that there's no one's injured or hurt by a asset at workplace or working environment. Risk management is a systematic process which involves 4 steps, which is identify the asset, assess the risk, control the risk, and monitor the review of safety measure. An example: Jason is an employee who work at the firecrackers factory at Taman IKS Simpampat, Neng. Jason is a chain smoker and he always smoke at the store, which is keep the stock of the firecrackers. In this case, the Jason action may cause the fire explosion and assess the risk to Jason and all the factory employees.
Good afternoon, Ms. Farida. Today I am going to present about risk analysis and assessing the risk. First of all, I introduce myself. My name is Mutarsi from batch 18B. My ID number is DEM04191111. Risk analysis is a process that helps you identify and manage potential problems. Second, assessing the risk. It's a method to identify hazard. There are 6 types of assessing. First, probability, frequency, control measures, exposure, severity, and consequence. First is probability. Is the chance the risk will occur or loss. Risk are modulated with the probability and impacts. Example: there is a high chance for smoking at the store because the store keeps stock of firecrackers. Second is frequency. It's a rate which something occur over a period of time. Example: there is a chance to firecrackers explode. Third, effect or consequence is a result of something or something to bring about a result. Example, if the firecracker explodes, the high sound level can lead to temporary or permanent hearing loss to the workers. Fourth is magnitude and severity. The magnitude of a risk is measured in a term of probability of occurrence and the severity of its consequence. Example, the level of impact can cause the death because smoking near firecrackers will make it explode. Another term is exposure. Exposure is the measurement of potential future loss or resulting from a specific activity or event. Example, the employee or employee working in the factory will be exposed. Lastly, control measure. Control measure is an action that are taken is responsible to a risk factor that as the potential cause of accident or harm in the workplace. Example, the employee need to avoid smoke at the restricted store and chemical store. Thank you.
Hello Miss, my name is Pavitra Tirumurugan from batch 18B DEM 04199090. Today I am going to present about the conclusion of safety risk assessment of construction workplace. Research should be conducted to assess the effectiveness, benefit and cost of worksite health promotion program and employee assistance intervention tailored to older workers in both small and large worksite. Worksite can promote the health of older workers through health promotion program that aim to reduce risk-related behaviors, for example, physical inactivity, and promote screening for early detection and treatment of illness or disorder and disease, ambulatory blood pressure monitoring at work to detect hidden workplace hypertension. While there is evidence that the integration of health promotion program with work risk reduction is successful in reducing risk behavior, little research has been conducted to identify effective ways to tailor of this program. Older workers need to strategy minimize worker participate in program. In addition, there is need for research to assess the effective of this intervention specifically for older workers. Thank you.